fellow artists, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Tzen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. Hi everyone, in today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import Photoshop brushes into Procreate. To begin, I'll click on the Files app. This is where I've downloaded the Photoshop brushes. You can also save Photoshop brushes into your Dropbox as well as iCloud, but in this case, I've downloaded mine into the Files app. So what we need to do is extract the .abr file from the zip file. And once you've done that, your .abr file should look like this with a blue icon. .abr is the extension that is used for files that are from Photoshop. Whatever name the downloaded Photoshop brushes are will be that name plus .abr. So let's say your brushes were called watercolor, then it would be watercolor.abr. Back in the Files app, we can see that the Photoshop brushes are saved in the Download section of the app. Photoshop brushes saved in the Files app will be presented as a zip file. We need to open the zip file to access the Photoshop brushes. So all we need to do is tap on the zip file and you'll see that the Photoshop brushes will automatically download. To install the Photoshop brushes into Procreate, we need to click on that ABR file. Then click on Export on the top right, which will give you access to different apps. What you need to do is slide all the way to the right of this list and look for Procreate. If Procreate isn't on the list, just tap on the three-dot icon to bring up a list of other apps and just search for Procreate there. In my case, since Procreate is already on the main list, I'll just go ahead and tap on Procreate here to start importing. Next thing you need to do is go into the Procreate app, click on any canvas, and click on the brush library. Scroll all the way up to the top of the brushes list. You should see the Photoshop brushes at the very top of the list. Now I'm going to share with you a Procreate tip. Procreate allows you to edit any of the Photoshop brushes that you've imported. So if we go into this brush here, we can see there are many different features of this brush that we can edit. On the left here, we have some other tabs that will help you adjust or edit your brush. If you'd like to know how these tools work, you can watch one of my tutorials entitled How to Make Brushes in Procreate, which I'll leave the link up above and also in the description below. Once you're happy with how you've edited your Photoshop brushes, you can click on the orange Done button up here on the top right. Thanks for watching, guys. Now you know how to import Photoshop brushes into Procreate. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.